All right, what's up? Chef PV here, cooking up a new tune with some fresh butter on our Revolt. Got a Revolt 2, it's in the steez. We just loaded up ButterFlight 3.3, straight stock tune. No fast Kalmans, just running it on 8.8. And here we go, let's take a rip, see how buttery it is. Dude, what in the world? Well, motors are feeling slightly warm, but not bad at all. Nothing too worried. Man, I think it felt good. I'm gonna have to check the HD to really see the vibe if there's very much, but I'll say I think ButterFlight it feels better on my Revolt than what I was experiencing with trying to get 500 tuned on my Revolt. I just couldn't get it. So I don't know, I'm not trying to say ButterFlight's better than Raceflight, but it feels darn good, and they're definitely doing something secret and something special there. So I don't know, we'll play some more. Fly safe, fly smart, just fly. Peace.